Video in Unity 5 3D game development and C# scripting. In the last video we have made a simple camera script, and also we have made player movement script. This is from the last video, and you can see that I'm using the mouse for this camera. You can see, and also I can move the player around, and also I can rotate this player. I'm using a cube as a player, but you can use your character. In this video, in the second video, we will make a scrolling texture. We want to scroll this texture. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, you should make a new C# script. Create C# script. I call it scroll texture. Now I open this in Visual Studio. You can use MonoDevelop, but I'm using Visual Studio. Okay, now this is my Visual Studio. First of all, we should make some public variables, and the first one is float scroll speed x, and give it a value of 0.40 float, and also make a float scroll speed y, also make it 0.40 float. Okay, now in update, and here the first thing that we need a float offset x. Offset x time dot time, multiply this by scroll speed x. Scroll speed x. Also we need a float offset y. Float offset y time dot time multiplied by scroll speed y. Okay, and now in here we should get component render. Okay, also I forgot, we need a public renderer in here. Public renderer, I call it render. Okay, renderer dot material dot main texture. Dot material dot main texture offset dot main texture offset, new vector 2, and in here we give our offset x and offset y. Okay, this is our script, our simple script for scrolling the texture. Now in Unity, we open our Unity, select your plane from here, and now add the scroll texture. Drag and drop it in here. Okay, now I run this. You can see that I have a scrolling texture. You can see my texture is scrolling. Also in here I can rotate through the arrow keys of the keyboard. Okay, I will add the source code and the video description. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and also please subscribe and like the videos.